What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Renegadesgarage. Today's episode, I'm going to try to recreate something that I bought from Jeep Beach this year, 2021. And I want to see if I can make it A, cheaper, or just make some for me and my family. So, here's what we're going to work on. I'm sure you guys have seen these in my videos. I have these mounts for the ATV style or side-by-side style mirrors. And what it is, they just stay left on for when I take my doors off. I think you're supposed to take the mirrors on and off still, but I just leave them folded forward like you've seen in the videos. Just because then when I take the doors off, just throw the mirror back and it's good to go. So I bought these brackets last year. They're from a company called Bracklet or something like that, and I cannot find them anymore online or anything. And these things were 60 bucks. Great price, great product, not so great a price, because it looks like it's just really a piece of billet, probably aluminum or something, that has the threads tapped into it and has the 2 holes cut in it. And I don't really see where this had been that much money. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these off, make a plate, take a piece of like 1/4 inch plate steel, cut it to be roughly the same square, then weld 2 nuts onto it that are the same thread as these, and then put a little bit of some kind of bracing on it or just extra weld, and it'd be basically the same thing. They won't look as pretty, but they're definitely gonna be cheaper. Because my dad has my old set of mirrors that are the ones that just clip into the brackets over there. I don't know if you see them. See, his is the typical style. There's bolt on. The mirror slips in here. You screw it on. The mirror stays way the hell over here. They all the time vibrate loose. They're in the way. They are hard to see out of. So I make him a set. I may end up making my aunt a set as well. But we'll see how this goes. I'll take you guys along for the ride. Okay, so here's the idea. I have this plate steel, and I got these jam nuts, because the only thing I find that was the right thread. In case you're wondering, these mirrors I'm using from Amazon are a 10-125 millimeter bolt. So of course it's some random thread that I can't find nuts for. But so what I'm doing, I'm taking 3 jam nuts. I'm gonna weld them together. Then I'm gonna be cutting these pieces down roughly just under 4 inches. Then do the 2 holes for the bolts, where it bolts to the sides of the mirror. Or not to the mirror, to the side of the window frame. Drill those holes out. Angle. Cut these just to help dress them up. Weld those together. Stick it on the middle. And then weld up around it. And then call it good. Okay, so after much welding, grinding, or not much grinding, but welding and grinding and cutting later, these are the final product. Use my GoPro, so it's not very good, but like I said, here's the back plate. Cut the angles out of it. Weld the 3 nuts together. Then you see, I stick my finger in it because it's still drying. Build up the weld where it's kind of curved, but it's not. If I were to make these, actually sell them, I'd do probably a slightly better job. But for right now, these are just for my dad. Or I might give him mine and I'll take these ones. I don't know yet. But yeah, see? Build up the weld. Got 3 nuts on there. I got a plate all made. This one warped a hair when I was welding it. Put too much heat into it, but I'll straighten it out. Yeah. there's the final product. Okay. I know with the last couple videos, I've not really been very good about showing a whole lot of the steps I've been taking, just because I get sidetracked and stop filming. But in the future videos, I'll make sure to try to record more to give you guys more content and a better understanding of what I'm building. But if you're liking these fabrication videos, make sure you give it a like, a comment that you've been liking them, and subscribe. And there's some more content coming your way for fabrication. I'm getting ready to have more videos going up from Jeeptober from last weekend. Plus, in a couple weeks, I'm going to Crawling for the Fallen here in Florida. I'll have content of that and whatever else other content is to come. So stay tuned and have a good rest of your day. Bye.